Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jompi
Sambut Menteri Rang Ba Kajalaba Prestun Tan Song Ulaong bagi Nongthaw an kemla setiap an Kren be an kat bamon Kani kijing maham jong sambut Menteri Rang Ba kalong halor kajing ong jong u MLA Shimen kanong krem konstituensi ba lambor malyang ha kajing lang jong kinong belasngi ba kinong officer ki ba persyang ban pensange ya kajing ti mau bat dish up un shan da uternem nakakti habakan tho ba kani kajing kren jong ba lambor malyang kalong tangkum kajing kren khlong khna uba prestun loong ba ka kamram jong kinong mi khmat pa ba kalong ban thau ya ki an ki kanun handrai om ban chukren kat kabami nation tur.
That statement, I think, is totally illogical and very immature statement. We are legislators. Number one, legislators is what? We need to frame law, rules, regulations. And not only that, not only state laws, you need also to implement the central laws. So here, just saying this by emotion, I think that is not right. I really don't know that statement made, but since you already mentioned, but I personally feel, being legislators, I think before we talk, first of all, let us go line by line, be it the state laws, be it the central laws, because see, we cannot just go out of the laws passed by the parliament as well as passed by the state legislative assembly. So we should not confuse that. It is so ambitious statement. So what else I can say? But I think being a legislator, being the elected representative, I think we need to know how to talk and the presentation we make, because as I said to you, be it MLA, be it MP, be it MDC, we cannot be outlaw. Law prevails, justice prevails, so we have to go according to laws.